Back again, YouTube. So, guys, first of all, let me just start by, what should I start with? What should I start with? What should I start with? No, I'm not gonna do that. Let me just start my showing you guys what's going on. Trade history from yesterday. See, $604 because I took a L on this last trade. Bummer. But yeah, that's what happened. That was yesterday. That was Sunday, yo. I'm telling you guys, I fucks with Sunday. Sunday is my fucking day. Well, anyways, let's start to analyze these charts because I wanted to show you guys something. Like, the market rapidly changed. Like, each month, it's not giving the same patterns, and it took me so long. It took me like literally 10 days to figure out what the market was doing. So let me just go into my 4-hour so you can see that the trend has changed. It's now an uptrend, yada 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 yada. And I started to look, and I just wondered, like, if it's gone into uptrend. And of course I marked out my key levels. This is the next key level. As you guys can see, key levels. Yeah, so I realized that the market was doing a triangular pattern. So let's go down to the 15 now. So I was watching this from Sunday night, and I was like, alright, market was making, you can see it's a triangular pattern. It was going up, and each time it was getting lighter, but it was respecting this trend line. And of course, my basic support line is right here. So I was just watching. I was like, all right, let's just see where the break comes. As you realize, price is getting. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, sorry about that. Like, price was getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and I was like, I'm just waiting for the breakout. Didn't catch the breakout. I got home late, and of course, we got home late, and I realized that price is getting tighter again. So it start forming this little mini triangle. So I'm just looking at the base, and I'm like, how far can this price go? So I put my stop loss to this wick right here, and basically I have my TP all the way up here, which is to the top of this triangle. So that's what I'm looking at for GBP. Chef. Now there are a lot of different setups here today that I've been taking. I'm not sure. My setups are still there from last night. Oh yeah. So this was another setup, like same triangular pattern, but this time it didn't go up to the upside because, and let me explain to you why this triangle didn't go up to the difference between this triangle and this one right here. Now, and this is why you guys should pay attention to market structure. For this one, if you realize the market structure is overall going in a downtrend, right? So that's the reason why the triangle broke out in downwards instead of upwards, because it's going in a downtrend, right? And if you realize with this triangle now, let's look at market structure again. It's in an uptrend, right? So that's the reason why this triangle broke out upwards, if I'm making it simple enough for you guys. Now, that being said, took this trade last night. Where was it? I think it was this one. Yeah, got a double bottom right here, and I rode it all the way up to here. Took my first TP, and I was out of there because I know that because this is going down. Right, it's in an upward, overall it's downtrend, so this is just a basic movement, so I know that it's just gonna come up here, reject, and come all the way back down here. However, I didn't take the sell because the overall trend line is right here, so I was looking for it to push back up to this area and then take it down. So I'm not even interested in this anymore. So, and that's why I didn't even look at it today, because I'm working with, perfect setups, perfect trends. Now with this is where I took the L today. So as you can see, price made, basic structure. I draw my trend line from here. We had a touch here, a touch here, a touch here, and I got in. I think I got in. No, it was right here, and I had my stop loss right here. And this is where I took that L today. I took that L because it broke out of the trend. So now I'm looking for this to retrace back up to here and come all the way down here. But as you know, the trend is your friend, so I wasn't interested in this today because I'm waiting for an obvious rejection to come down here. So this is where it's at right now. I'm currently in GBP Chef. Also, I'm looking at GBP USD. However, I tend to stay away from this pair because the US dollar is so volatile. Like, anything can impact it. So I'm looking to, of course, it's an upwards triangle. Let's see what's the trend. I'm looking to get a breakout up here. So yeah, that's what's happening for that. We're in something else. What are we in right now? We are in AUD CAD. Yeah. How did I not mark that up? We're in AUD CAD, and that's because I basically saw, a strong uptrend. And if I'm drawing my trend lines correctly, as you guys can see, it's a very, very, very strong trend line going up. So and the next area of resistance should be, I didn't finish mark this up because honestly I was in the bathroom, and I was just, as usual, marking up specific trend lines, just marking up key areas, key levels, and that's how I kind of saw this, and I was like, nope, I gotta hop in. Let's look at the daily. And as you can see on the daily, it's still going up. Even though we had this massive red candle, I think it's still gonna go all the way up to here, and then probably we can get some sideways movements, but you never know. So we're currently in a upward triangle. So you can see that massive trend line, it came down to it. I did not get in here, I got in right here, and my first TP, I think it's 45 pips. My first TP is it's 32 pips, and my second TP is 73 pips, and we are currently in profit. So yeah, we see how that play out tonight. So yeah, I don't have anything else to show you guys. I haven't been looking at gold, and I have not been looking at US 30, even though I saw a nice setup last night. Like, I saw this setup, and let me show you in the 4 hour. So this is a key level right here. This is a key level. You see how many times price respected, this is a fake out, respected this level right here. And I saw it and I was like, damn, market is in a strong uptrend. And it last night, I don't know how I didn't take it. I got it right here. This is like a mini double bottom, if you're looking correctly, like a mini double bottom. See that right there? And I was gonna take this for the buy, but because I'm trying to find a calculator that calculates US 30 for me, so at the profit calculator for US 30, so I can know what the appropriate lot size to use. But man, I would have been in profit last night. Just look at that. It's been going all morning. I was just like, alright, whatever. But that's it for me. That's my video for today, guys. I'm out.